Hey guys, at BV Matson here. Was inspecting the other carb. We tore down the carburetor, one of the carbs, in a previous video. I'll link that over here or in the description, one of the two. But ran into some issues on this one. Make sure you check your diaphragms, all right? The diaphragm, okay, slides in the carb just like this. Checking my diaphragm. And all you do to do that is just kind of give this a little bit of a tug and just make sure it's pliable. And wouldn't you know, got a real serious tear in this diaphragm. So I'm actually going to have to order a new one, order one of those. And also on the same carb, if you be real quiet, got a leaky float. So this also has to be replaced on this carburetor. Now on the other carb, everything looks fine. Diaphragm looks fine, but if you're hearing that, there's fluid inside these float bowls. So that sucks. This stuff ain't cheap. This is like $20-30 to replace the diaphragm, just the diaphragm. And then these here, I believe these are another $20-30 to get these as well. So that was a bummer on the carburetor, but still got the carbs for free, so I'm still ahead of the game. We're going to need to clean these up. So I'm not going to get into the carburetors today. I just wanted to show you guys kind of what was going on with that. What we're going to do today is we're going to start looking at something like this. Now, again, budget-wise, I have to order, $50 worth of parts for the carbs, and I still need some nice-looking covers. So what I'm going to try is a little bit of a chrome spray paint. So what I'm going to try is this Krylon Premium Metallic Original Chrome. All right, I'm going to do this on a couple of pieces that are looking pretty grungy, and I just honestly I don't want to spend the funds on getting new parts. So what I'm going to do is kind of strip these down and give this a whirl. Looking at it, just for the hell of it, let's spray just a little bit of this onto the chrome and see what it looks like here. That's pretty smooth, but I just sprayed the top of that. I'm kind of hopeful that we'll be able to make this look respectable. So again, it's going to take some prep work. Krylon Premium Metallic Original Chrome. We're going to deal with that today in a video. Started cleaning up some of these hubs. These are all ready for polish at this point. I spent a little bit of time on the side cover this morning. Remember how black it was? It was looking pretty bad. I spent about 45 minutes just kind of rough sanding it with a high grit sandpaper, and I was able to knock off most of that really, really disturbing dark stuff. But, there's so much sanding to do, so much cleaning to do. That's what my life is really going to be looking like. Got to do all the covers. I'm going to focus on the wheel hubs first, because remember, we got to get these things, new bearings, new spokes, get the tires mounted. A lot of work ahead of us in that department. I've got some parts, evapor rusting. We've got the little brake arm. Or just evapor rusting. That'll actually clean up really, really good. And I've got some other odds and ends in there. Other than that, we've done some polish. I'll actually try and save this as well. This is actually a perfect candidate to try the Krylon Metallic. Strip that down, sand that out, and see if we can make a difference. So kind of an update on where we are with this motorcycle. It's coming together. I'm experimenting with possibly wrapping the headers, just trying to decide, what I really want to do there. But again, each morning I come down here and I'm able to look at what we've done here, and it's pretty damn fun. All the freaking parts. Got everything nice and organized. We got everything. Seriously. Oh, here's the other painting project that we have. Got to deal with the headlight bucket as well. So yeah, I'm going to do some odds and ends projects today. I just wanted to hop in with a quick update, but probably a bunch of shorter videos. Today's the goal. I've also got these sitting here. Been trying to get these bolts out of the ends of these things. These haven't been too fun. So we'll probably tackle that because we got to take these all apart and we got to polish these aluminum forks. So that's another project. Maybe we'll try to break those free today since we had such luck on the front hub. So yeah, there we go. We'll definitely be doing some videos this weekend for sure. But I'm really curious to see if from a galloping horse, this stuff can do the job. So thanks for watching. Watch for some videos coming up. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Also, thumbs up those videos that you enjoy. Follow along Instagram and Twitter at BVManson. Let's see if we can fake some chrome today.